Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to handle for alerts using our Playwright robot framework. Okay. How many types of alerts we have? We have first simple alert and another one is a confirmation alert and then prompt alert. Okay. These are the three alerts we have. Okay. We need to use for like a promise to wait for that particular alert to be visible. Okay. Even we have promised alert on, right? Those similar format of playwright with the TypeScript, similar format we are going to use for promise. Okay. That promise will help you to wait to accept that one. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. If you are simple alert, I'm going to click here. You can see if I click for simple alert, there is no message. But if you do for confirmation, we can able to get some text and we can able to display that particular text. Okay. Or else you can able to get from a alert text from here. I'm a alert box, right? This text we can get and display. Okay. These are the two ways we can able to say we opened as a alert box. Okay. Now TC06 using for alert dot robot. Now I'm using for settings and library browser testing alerts and then I'm going to use for my alert case. We have to be now once we done open the browser. Now I need to click this particular simple one. Okay. Now if I go to inspect this element, now you can see ID is there, alert button. Okay. ID is a alert button. It is there and I need to click this one. Okay. I'll use as a X path to click that one. Okay. ID is equal to single quotation my value. Okay. This is my click action. Click and I'm using for X path colon and then I'm going to click my button. Okay. Once it is click, it will open as a prompt. Right. Now that particular prompt I need to use to click actually. Okay. Dollar. I'm using for prompts. Now I need to use it here. Promise to oh, sorry, wait for alert. Okay. That alert need to be do for the action accept. Okay. Because it's the first one will become a accept only. Okay. Now once it is get it, I need to display the text. Text. Okay. Wait for. Okay. Wait for and the promise we are providing. Okay. which we are getting the one, and I'm going to print for that alert. Okay, and then I'm closing for close browser. You can use the close browser. If you are not use the close browser, it will close, because olden days programming structure, it is basically clicking, closing the browser, but new one, it will allow directly to click, close. Okay. Now it is clicked. Okay. See, it is displayed here. I'm in a alert box. Okay. Like this, we can able to click anything. Okay. Even you can able to close that specific button. Okay. How we can able to close that particular box. Okay. Now this is basically for confirmation one. First one, right? Now the similar format I'm going to use for now this particular button, here is my confirmation one. Okay. This is for now I'm doing for OK button purpose, like accept button. Okay. Next we can do for cancel button. Okay. Dismiss also. Or else directly we can do for dismiss also. We have seen for accept, the similar format I'm going to use for dismiss as well. Okay. Everything is same, but the value is changed. Now previous accept button, now it is a dismiss button. Now you can see it is clicked cancel button. You clicked as a cancel button. Now you can see the text it is showing the press a button. Okay. Like this we can able to get it. Now the similar format we can able to use for prompt as well. Okay, prompt. How we can able to go and use the promptings one. Okay. Now I am going to use for this one same promise and wait for alert, and then I'm going to use accept, and then I'm going to use for prompt input hello. Okay, prompt input hello. Now after you accept, after you provided, that will be displayed into that lost. Okay, now you can see, now you can see, oh sorry, prompt path we need to specify. See, hello, hello, how are today? Okay, please enter your name. Okay, like this we can able to handle it. Okay, alerts is very easy to handle for this using for Playwright with the robot framework. Okay, we'll see for the next video session. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.